start the next day.
Go, baby! Go, baby! Go, baby! Go!
Cross the line. You can't go past.
No,
that.
my foot! My foot can't cross the line. My
Official
foot.
protest.
There you go. This is how Team of Yours rolls. Yeah!
We do it, baby. That's the way
we have
do it. We have phone call here.
Team of Yours!
We are on the D4 Kingpin.
D4 King.
D4, baby, all the way.
I like it. I like it.
Here, you guys, Bravado, one of the silent options is win your height in cases of Bravado. So the winning bidder, however tall you are, that's how many cases you get. This would not be a good bidder for the beer. I won't be a good bidder for the beer. It's really not taking advantage of the beer. Brad Oxley can win a lot of beer, though.
Way to go. Nice job.
Next, come on, 75 takes this home and goes 200 miles an hour down the streets of NASCAR.
Okay, show me number one side. Hip, hip, hip. This is our house. We will be back next year.